Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Next, we calculate the marginal revenue product by multiplying the extra output each worker creates by the price of that output. This represents the actual value of the labor. Finally, the firm stops hiring exactly when the wage equals this marginal revenue product. This makes option E the perfect choice for our answer. You really nailed this tricky concept. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Always trust the given info and check your steps.